Welcome to our Get Counted campaign. One of our goals is to create a bank of biological resources to help scientists understand congenital muscle diseases and find treatments. To make this bank a reality, we need patients like you to donate blood and/or skin samples to the CMD Bio Bank. If you or someone you care about has congenital muscular dystrophy, congenital myopathy, and congenital myasthenic syndrome, get donated today. Donating samples is intimidating and can seem complicated. Fear not, the CMD Bio Bank has sample collection kits that can be shipped to your doorstep. We are simply looking for blood and/or skin samples. When you or your child schedules an annual checkup with a doctor, request a free kit from the biobank a couple weeks in advance. A blood draw can be incorporated into an already planned blood draw. Skin samples are best arranged through a dermatologist. Ship your samples back to the biobank for free with the included shipping labels. This process of donating a sample is simple, but why is it important to go through this process? What sort of benefits can you gain from doing this? Coriell, home of the CMD Bio Bank, is the world's largest biobank. It is an independent, non-profit research organization that stores DNA in cell lines. The CMD Bio Bank works with the Congenital Muscle Disease International Registry, or the CMDIR, to provide your samples along with information from the CMDIR to researchers through an online catalog. No information that could identify you, like your name or date of birth, will be shared with the scientists who will be using your samples. Although you will not be receiving any results of the testing or research done using your samples, your contribution will help scientists around the world to learn more about congenital muscle diseases. Your cell lines will also support research to find treatments. Coriell will take your blood or skin sample and create multiple cell lines or cultures that have your mutation. Your small sample of blood or skin can be turned into as many cells as researchers need. Your skin cells can be converted into many other tissues. Heart, brain, and muscle cells are all possible. This is necessary so that researchers can see how genetic mutations affect other organs. To understand what your contribution means, we need to take a step back and look at the big overarching goal. Your blood or skin sample is going to be used for research purposes. Researchers can't just use one sample to base their research on, the obvious problem being that it wouldn't be enough to represent the entire CMD population. What we need is a whole army of samples from all over the world so that the researchers can pinpoint specific attributes that are universal to those with CMD and how CMD can be treated or ultimately be cured. Your blood and skin samples open the doors to the future. To contact the CMD Bio Bank and get your free sample collection kit today, contact Schmidlen, genetic counselor at the Coriell Institute for Medical Research.